everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. If you've never seen me before, my name is Liv and I make lots of healthy recipes here on this channel, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And in today's video, it's so exciting because we're making poke bowls, but they're vegan because they're made with a little bit of a secret ingredient. If you haven't followed on Instagram yet, make sure you follow on there because I always post behind the scenes, sneak peeks, and recipes as well. So yeah. If you want to see how to make some yummy poke bowls, let's get into it. Alright guys, so to make our poke bowl, in place of the tuna, we are using watermelon. I know what you're thinking, but the watermelon tastes so great in this recipe, especially because ahi tuna or any kind of raw fish, in order to make poke bowls at home, you do have to buy sashimi grade because you're eating it raw, which can be super expensive. At least where I live, it's like $30 for what I would get for a poke bowl like amount of fish. So this is a great option too, and you still get like flavors of it and you still get the whole vibe of a poke bowl. So you cut up the watermelon into spears, and then you can cut the spears into little cubes. You can definitely buy ready cubed or ready speared watermelon, but I just bought the whole one because it was on sale at my grocery store. So I'm tossing that into a bowl, and then I'm adding in some garlic, which is a great antibacterial. It's so healthy for you. If you're ever getting sick, just take a spoonful of garlic. Then I'm adding in some rice vinegar, which helps the kind of give the tuna flavor, as well as being like an Asian inspired kind of vinegar. I'm adding in some coconut aminos, which I basically use in place of soy sauce. It's so much flavor, but doesn't have a lot of salt. Some sesame oil, again, is just an oil with a little bit more of an Asian flavor, and I'm stirring that up so that can marinate. And then I'm also adding in a little bit of lemon for freshness, and the lemon also helps to marinate the watermelon so you get that nice, almost like tuna texture. I'm chopping up some carrot, but you can do whatever you like in your poke style bowl, so whatever vegetables that you like or typically put in your own. I just had this at home, so I figured I might as well throw it in since it was already in my fridge, so I'm just chopping that up. And then I'm chopping up some green onion. I feel like a lot of places always put green onion, especially with tuna poke bowls, as opposed to like salmon. And then also some cucumber for some freshness, and just it has a high water content, so it's going to keep you full. Some avocado, which I love. I feel like I eat avocado every single day, at least half of one every single day. It's got phenomenal healthy fats in it for you. It keeps you full. Plus, in a poke bowl, it gets really nice and creamy with the sauce. It's delicious. If you love avocados, make sure to thumbs up this video. And then I'm spiralizing some zucchini. Zucchini is usually what I get as the base of my poke bowls. When I go out, I get like the zoodle base, but you can do whatever kind of base you normally use. You could do brown rice. You could even do cauliflower rice. I think that would be delicious too, and a great way to get some more veggies in, but I typically get zoodles or zucchini noodles, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm loading that into my bowl, and then I'm going to be taking the watermelon that has been marinating while we prepared our veggies and putting that in my bowl, loading it up with the carrot that we also chopped up too, and the cucumber, and kind of just arranging it pretty so that I can take a nice Instagram for my Instagram, because let's face it, food is so much fun to eat when it's like pretty and arranged. If you have a few minutes, I just like love presenting food prettily ways. So I'm adding in the avocado too, and then I'm adding the green onion. I'm also going to be putting on some cashews. I love adding a little bit of nuts into like my poke bowls. I had one with macadamia nuts while I was away, and the macadamia with the ahi tuna was delicious, but I don't have macadamia nuts on hand, so I just used some raw cashews that I had. But you can totally leave this out if you want to. If you have wasabi peas, I really like those at poke restaurants, but again, I feel like a lot of people don't have wasabi peas in their pantry. Some sesame seeds along with some seaweed, again, just to pull that whole poke vibe together, and seaweed is so good for you, especially for your thyroid. And there you go. That is the finished poke bowl. It's got so much flavor. It's so fresh. It's perfect for summer, and you get that vibe and flavor of the poke bowl from the sauce, but without having fish. So it's super delicious and easy to make. All right, guys, once your poke bowl is done, it will look like this. Now, you definitely don't have to arrange it like I did, but of course, I wanted a nice Instagram, so I arranged it all pretty. But you can definitely just throw it into a bowl. I got my Star Wars chopsticks, and let's go and have a taste. Wait, I'm gonna turn them on because they do light up. It's really refreshing because it's watermelon, but you get that flavor of tuna from the coconut aminos and the garlic. It's delicious. It's savory. It cuts some of the sweet of the watermelon, plus comboed with like the nuts and the fats of the avocado. So good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a good old thumbs up. And comment down below a recipe you want me to make or healthify, and I will do that for you. And yeah, I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.